Today I'm going to be companion planting some basil in with my tomato plants. It's a good companion plant. I've even heard that it can change the taste and make the taste better in the tomatoes. And it also helps keep mosquitoes down, which is a problem here with as much rain as we get in East Tennessee. So I am going to take this bed that just has 3 tomato plants in it, and I am going to plant a few in the back and a few in the front, so maybe 6 basil plants. And I think I'm going to plant holy basil in this bed. Holy basil it's actually considered a holy plant by some people, and it also makes a wonderful addition to tea. You can dry it and use the leaves in tea or use them fresh for added benefits. So that's what I'm going to plant in this bed. And then in this other bed over here, I need to get this that is a very large plant out of the way. I've got 3 more tomatoes over here, and I'm going to plant some different basil over here. I'm thinking maybe the purple basil over there, so that I won't get them mixed up. So I dug a hole. I put a little bit of granular fertilizer in the bottom, firm it in, and sprinkle a little more fertilizer around the outside. I'm going to sprinkle a bit of compost around the top, and then I'm going to repeat that a number of times on this bed and the next bed. So here's a review. Here's my tomatoes. This is from the back side, and you can see the basil in the front sunny side. That's the holy basil. Over here we've got some purple leaf basil in front of tomato plants, like so. And then if we walk over here, got a few more tomato plants over here. So I've got some sweet Thai basil, and then a tomato plant, and then there's a little bit more sweet Thai, and another sweet Thai over there. I've got holy there, and then these 3 are a large leaf basil. At the 2 ends down there, I have my squash with the copper rings to try to keep the slugs off. And then I've got snow peas growing up here. I just picked them, so you'll see some immature ones here. But snow peas growing up on that side. And then I've got, this will be the next thing I tackle. These tomatoes are probably about 5 feet tall now, and I need to weed the bottom and plant some basil in there. And I've got some more of my sugar snap peas there. I've got some hanging plants at the end of these 2 beds that flower, hopefully attract some pollinators to the garden.